Rivian's electric trucks are not designed for city streets alone. They are built for terrain, weight, weather, and distance all at once. That philosophy shapes the factory long before a single truck is assembled. Rivian's manufacturing facility was designed around a single idea. Electric trucks must be as tough as traditional trucks, without sacrificing intelligence or efficiency. This is not an adaptation of old manufacturing logic. It is a complete reset. Everything begins digitally. Before production starts, Rivian engineers simulate the entire factory using digital twins. Assembly lines, robot paths, torque sequences, and material flow are modeled thousands of times. Weak points are eliminated before steel ever moves. When the factory runs, it runs with intent. Materials arrive built for abuse. High-strength steel, aluminum alloys, reinforced composites. Each component is selected to survive off-road conditions, heavy loads, and long-term stress. Autonomous vehicles move parts across the floor with zero congestion. Timing is precise. Motion is quiet. The body shop defines the truck's strength. Robotic arms weld and bond reinforced frames designed to handle torque, vibration, and impact. Laser-guided alignment systems lock geometry into place. Structural adhesives add rigidity where traditional welds would add weight. Every joint matters. Rivian trucks are designed to twist, climb, and carry. The factory builds that capability into the structure itself. Humans and machines work together. Automation handles repetition and precision. Human specialists oversee critical stages, inspecting welds, verifying alignments, and validating processes that require judgment. This balance ensures consistency without losing awareness. Each truck has a digital identity. Battery configuration, motor layout, suspension type, software profile, destination climate, all of it is known from the first station. Tools adjust automatically. Robots adapt instantly. No two trucks are treated as generic. Paint is not cosmetic here. Rivian's paint shop is engineered for durability. Coatings are applied electrostatically under controlled conditions. AI systems inspect surfaces immediately, identifying flaws invisible to the human eye. Corrosion resistance matters as much as appearance. Once painted, trucks move into final assembly. High-voltage wiring, control modules, displays, and rugged interiors are installed with precision. These trucks are designed to be used hard. Every connection is tested immediately. Battery packs define the platform. Large battery units are positioned beneath the chassis, protected by reinforced enclosures. Cooling systems are integrated for extreme temperatures, hot deserts, frozen trails, and everything in between. Safety checks are relentless. By the end of assembly, the truck looks complete. But at Rivian, appearance means nothing without proof. Because a truck built for adventure must earn that title. That proof begins next. If you want to see how Rivian tests electric trucks for real-world abuse, make sure to like the video. When a Rivian electric truck leaves the assembly line, it is not finished. It is challenged. Testing at Rivian is designed to answer one question. Will this truck survive the environments it was built for? Validation begins immediately. Each vehicle enters dynamic testing systems that simulate real-world driving without leaving the factory. Acceleration under load, regenerative braking behavior, steering response, and suspension articulation are measured continuously. Data streams are compared against digital models created during development. Electric trucks face unique stresses. High torque delivery, heavy battery weight, and off-road demands place enormous strain on structures and components. Rivian's testing systems deliberately push limits to reveal weaknesses early. Battery and thermal systems are tested aggressively. Thermal chambers simulate extreme heat and cold. Cooling systems are stressed under sustained load. Charging behavior is monitored. Battery management software must maintain stability regardless of terrain or temperature. Water is treated as an adversary. Rivian trucks pass through water-fording tunnels that flood underbodies and suspension components. Seals, connectors, and enclosures are tested under pressure. Electronics must remain isolated. Failure here is not an option. Suspension systems are tuned for terrain. Test rigs simulate rocks, uneven surfaces, and steep inclines. Articulation, damping, and rebound are measured repeatedly. Rivian's trucks must remain stable and controlled where paved roads disappear. Driver assistance systems are validated next. Cameras, radar, and control units are calibrated in controlled environments. These systems must function accurately in dust, rain, darkness, and glare, conditions common in real adventure driving. Noise and vibration matter too. Acoustic chambers isolate unwanted frequencies. Vibrations are analyzed under load. Rivian's goal is not silence at all costs, but confidence. Sounds must communicate strength, not weakness. Software testing runs continuously. Millions of lines of code control power delivery, traction management, and energy recovery. The factory simulates countless scenarios, ensuring systems respond predictably when conditions change suddenly. Human evaluators remain essential. They test what data cannot fully capture: steering feel, pedal response, control intuitiveness. A truck may pass every metric and still fail if it does not feel trustworthy. Only after passing mechanical, electrical, digital, and experimental validation does the truck move forward. But Rivian's responsibility does not end at delivery, because adventure does not happen in laboratories. If you want to see how Rivian's trucks continue learning after they reach real trails and real drivers, make sure to subscribe to the channel. When a Rivian electric truck leaves the factory, its real education begins. Manufacturing does not end at delivery. It expands into the world. Before shipping, every truck is digitally archived. Battery configuration, motor data, suspension settings, software versions, torque values, and calibration states are stored in Rivian systems. The factory does not forget what it built. Logistics are treated as protection. Vehicles move through climate-controlled storage and automated shipping zones. Handling is minimized. Battery health and surface integrity are preserved. Even transportation is engineered with intent. Once trucks reach owners, the learning accelerates. Rivian vehicles are connected platforms. Over-the-air updates refine power delivery, traction control, battery efficiency, and driver assistance systems. New features appear without physical recalls. The truck evolves in the field. Real-world data drives this evolution. Anonymized information flows back from trucks navigating snow, sand, mud, mountains, and highways. Battery behavior under load. Thermal performance in extreme climates. Software response during unpredictable driving. This data reveals truths no test facility can fully predict. The factory listens. Engineers analyze patterns across the fleet. Weak points are reinforced. Algorithms are refined. Future trucks improve because current trucks explore. Electric trucks amplify this feedback loop. Charging behavior influences infrastructure planning. Regenerative braking data improves efficiency models. Suspension feedback reshapes future designs. Manufacturing adapts accordingly. Sustainability is inseparable from durability. Rivian's factory integrates renewable energy, efficient robotics, and material optimization. Building trucks that last longer reduces waste. Efficiency compounds at scale. Inside the factory, evolution never pauses. Artificial intelligence continuously optimizes production scheduling, energy usage, and material flow. Digital twins simulate changes before implementation. New techniques are tested alongside live production without interruption. The factory becomes a living system. This adaptability allows Rivian to refine performance, durability, and intelligence simultaneously. Flexibility is not optional for electric trucks. It is essential. The most remarkable achievement is how invisible this complexity feels to the driver. No one thinks about battery thermal models when climbing a mountain. No one considers torque algorithms when crossing a river. They trust the truck to respond. That trust is engineered. Rivian's factory does not just build vehicles. It builds capability, resilience, and confidence, then learns from every mile driven. Which part of Rivian's electric truck journey impressed you most? Off-road testing, intelligent updates, or continuous learning in the wild? Leave a comment and share your thoughts.
Interface. Confirm system readiness. Prepare for data transfer.